Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, July 1st, 2025, 11 am in the morning. Right now I'm traveling from Maslok to Balangiga. Today I have a plan to cook chicken curry. Unfortunately, in Maslok there is no curry powder. So I'm going to Balangiga get the curry powder. From Maslok to Balangiga, only 7 km, almost like 10 minutes bike ride. Look at that, beautiful cement road and there is no traffic. In this town, there is an important historical monument available. It is called Balangiga bells. In Balangiga church, there is a 3 bells available. It is considered as a historical artifact. Comes with a lot of history of Philippines in previous generation. In this video, we are going to explore a little bit later about that. Apart from that, in this town, you have a plaza park, general hospital, elementary school, high school, fire department, police station. You have a vegetable and fruit market and wet market also available. Look at the Balangiga bridge, it's beautiful. The public market on the right side of the Balangiga bridge. Couple of hotels, laundry service, banks and ATMs, department store, everything available in this location. And you can see the Balangiga church plaza park located opposite side. Even in this town have a laundry service which is open 9 to 5. Vegetable market and wet market located side by side. In this place I buy some curry powder. After that I fly my drone to get the beauty of this Balangiga town. That is the wet market in Balangiga. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Let's talk about this church history. The building construction was started in 1850 and in 1854. 4 years to complete this church building. Now about these 3 bells. They made the first bell 1854, the second one 1889, the third one 1895. The church bells are used in the war to alert the locals from the American army during the war period. In 1901, the local Filipino force went to Balangiga, attacked the American army station in Balangiga. In that situation, 48 American soldiers died in that assault. That incident called Balangiga massacre. A month later, American army come back, reclaim this Balangiga town and take back the control. In that time, the bells are taken by the American force as a war trophies put as a display in the Air Force in America. It was happened in 1901. After 117 years later, the bells are bring back to Philippines in December 11th, 2018. So, this is the story of the Balangiga bell. The bells have become a powerful symbol of Filipino courage, resistance against the foreign power, and the fight for freedom. They are also a reminder of the Balangiga massacre and the complex history between the Philippines and the United States. For this church visit, there is no entrance fee, only registration. That is really a good thing. The church was 171 years old, still looks good and maintained properly. Dozens of statues over here. As a Roman Catholic church, you should expect that. The floor and ceiling looks amazing. At a time in this church, you can sit down more than 1,000 people. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.